Hi, I'm Patrick. In this latest installment of the standard What's in Your Box training series, we're going to introduce you to standard Undercar products, talk about why so many of these categories are a natural fit for standard, and dive into electronic safety systems and how many different components they depend on to keep drivers safe. As car makers added newer, more advanced components outside of the engine bay, it was only natural for us to apply our years of experience designing and manufacturing sensors to additional categories like vehicle speed sensors, transmission input and output sensors, ride height sensors, and more. The standard Undercar product lineup can be split into three categories: drivetrain, wheel and tire, and brake and chassis. Inside the drivetrain category, you'll find four-wheel drive actuators, transfer case motors, transmission control solenoids, transmission input and output sensors, and vehicle speed sensors. Our wheel and tire products include ABS sensors, as well as TPMS sensors, kits, and programming tools. Lastly, our brake and chassis lineup includes parking brake actuators, which are one of the industry's fastest growing categories, and ride height sensors. We carefully selected these specific categories because they fit into what we do well, and we knew we could deliver precision engineered components that integrate seamlessly with today's electronic systems. Speaking of electronic systems, let's talk a little more about ADAS systems, specifically electronic stability control, or ESC. ESC has saved thousands of lives by preventing accidents. But for it to work properly, vehicles need real-time data from multiple sensors, including all four ABS sensors, vehicle speed sensors, throttle position sensors, steering angle sensors, and more. Making sure your customer's vehicle responds in an emergency situation is critical, and that is why all standard sensors are designed and tested specifically for accuracy, speed, and durability. Some lower-cost suppliers use older Hall effect technology on ABS sensors for modern vehicles, and while it may not cause a check engine light to come on, it can't give the ECU real-time data fast enough for all of the electronic safety systems to work as designed. Standard ABS sensors used advanced microsensor technology to give the ECU accurate data in real time to help keep your customer safe. So what's in our box? You'll find advanced research and development, precision manufacturing, sensors and actuators that have been lab tested for durability and tested on vehicles for performance, industry-leading coverage in key categories, along with sales and training support. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?